to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today is Marcia. And Marcia was speaking about, her weekend. She spoke about the events that she went to and how she enjoyed herself. And, she said she's happy to be home, to be relaxing in her own bed. And, she was speaking a little about herself and those events. And then she did have this little to say about Miss D and the Gala. So go ahead and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays, I wish you a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, peace, love, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my subscribers, and my family, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. Always stay true to yourself. Always stay true to yourself. And also remember that you're able to give opinions on things, you know, and everyone is going to have a different opinion no matter where you go. We will all have different opinions and different things to say about a particular situation. So we have to ensure that we know that. And guys, please have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful day today as intended. Okay.
Jamaican come up to me. Plus, me now come, my supporters them come up to me. White, black, other nationality. Bahamas, I mean other nationality. Eh? Yes, my dear. You watch the boat ride last night? Me tell you if you come. The boat ride wasn't big, but it was enough. We had tell us we have such a good. Big up Jimmy Starkey color bling boat ride. Every year, I have it in a long time. I was about over 17 years. Jimmy, I bring the boat ride there. And the people them, the big people them, appear big people them on the boat ride, no young girl on the penny. And them the big people enough enjoy themselves. Me nah ask you. Good evening, people. Good evening. I am back in Connecticut, So anybody who wants sheet may have sheet. And I remember saying me not turn long up here. Me going back to New York. So anybody want them sheet and stuff. Mhm. Okay, all right, no problem. Yes, my dear. Me say it feels so good. It feels so good for lie down in my bed. Me da ask you. It feels so good for lie down in my ass bed. Me da lie. It feels so good. Does you only want to fix up. And that time you go get me. Eh. But be so happy. I'm so happy. Give me some thumbs up, people. Give me some likes. I am so happy that I get my truck fixed. I am so happy I got my truck fixed. You understand? I'm so happy. After the party, so Mr. Jesus Christ, me glad say me never have to do no work today. Me I tell you say me tired. Me say me a drive. Me say me a drive. Because me say me don't drive and show. And I book up one lady, from Connecticut in the trucks, in the rest stop. And she say me stop her by Dunkin' Donut juice. She said, Marcia Campbell. Boy, I didn't can't call up my name, sir. She said, Marcia Campbell. She said she live at Connecticut too. Drop somebody at the airport. Big up yourself, miss. I did a chat to my friend. I come up and I say, you know what, me nah go live and tell them not. Me wait until me reach. Uh-huh. So me in a me homeless shelter. Well comfortable and nice. And then later on, me go pick up my man for work. He is so excited. He not even know some me I come. I trick him anyway. Me should even tell him nothing, me should just call. Me should just show up at work. Where is where is my team member? Uh-huh. Them a word that them fine. Me can't even curly what go on? Boy, I mean, I'm in my bed. I mean, I'm a homeless bed. I mean, I tell you, say, feel good to us. Me, I mean, me can, even though me don't have the, me don't have the second, me don't have the part-time job, but me still happy. Even though me don't have no part-time job, but me thank God, no matter what the devil try. Lucky thing is American citizen. Me can't get homeless shelter for live in. Lucky thing. Lucky thing me. Look, God bless America. Me can't go get food stamp and welfare and section 8. Lord have his mercy. Father God, take the case and give me the pillar. Thank God for America passport. Mhm. Thank God for America passport. Me can't get free rent pay. Mhm. So when they try to take me walk, I was at the life on the boat ride. I was on the life of the boat ride, blazing fire all night. May I tell you, I wait DJ name DJ Glamour Wayne and with Glamour Wayne. What the name? Reptile. Glamour Wayne and DJ Reptile. Glamour Wayne a joke kind of. Glamour Wayne said Deacon Reptile. And Deacon Clip. Nika, oh that like up it thumbs up. Boy, I better tell you. Better tell a lie. Boy, I be happy. If I even come up that about nobody now ruin my little happiness, you know. They could have try. Me is one happy somebody. It don't matter what they try to do to me. They could have called me, I can name me no sooner. If me feel like tracing, me tracing off. Uh-huh. Yes, me dear. Me say me nah drive it, you know. Me say me drive, me have my cup a iced coffee. Dunkin' Donut have one blueberry iced coffee. And I eat me take. I may have some roti and curry goat to go eat. I may have brown stew chicken. I may have callaloo for go strip some callaloo and go eat. You understand? So, me I wait for my man to come home later. Eh, me should have make him come. I should not have to go pick him up. Yes, my dear. I'm so excited. And me can get some good loving tonight. And some girl now get none. Yes, my dear. Can get some good loving tonight, yeah. Yes, my child. Good dear. me, had a, me had a full weekend. Yes, my dear. Big up to my ATL people. My ATL people them, yes, my dear. And big up to my friend who got the boat show with. Miss Sarah said she couldn't get the company boat ride, but next time. Only part of boat ride today. So Unna sister Bujo coming to Hartford, Connecticut. In a September so. Bujo coming to Fort Lauderdale. Bujo come to Barclays Center in Brooklyn. Then I would care about Bujo again at Barclays Center. Then I what? Then you could tell so all the people from Brooklyn and Bronx never come this one here. So you could tell me say. Yeah, I think you know tell me say. Then the whole New York City try to say here. Well, a lot people live in New York City. They must know. He might come a Fort Lauderdale. He might go to Brooklyn, he might go Connecticut, he might go a lot of places. But you're busy like a bees. You might forget some backup artists before him. What happened there? And please to come and get in the sheet, people. One must come and support Marcia Everbless. And when time I come over here, if I even $1 and $2, one must can give a little super chat. Because one knows that Marcia have one of the best entertainment page. And let me tell you something. It is not easy. On a serious note, it is not easy for hold up phone for 2-3 hours and show something. One must have a little gratefulness about it. It is not easy. It is not easy for hold phone now on for so much hours and show something without a tripod. So when people come and give you good things, you know how much people call me and bless me up? Not money, nor nothing. In my WhatsApp, I say, Marcia, thank you very much. We live a so and so and so and so. We love Bujo. And you allow us to see it. I mean, I make no money off a Bujo concert. Some people might make money, me not make none. My dollar sign is red because I was streaming from the beginning to the end. And Jabba B was playing music and I was allowing you guys to listen to it. So you know, say it's only 15 seconds or less. Sometimes you say 15 seconds and them still block you for it. So all that how much thousand view. When I came off, it said 15,000. Just watch. Me not make no change. So when you bless me up with a little super chat, me should have collect over $300. Because a lot of you guys never have the money to see it. People from all over the world could have seen it. Jamaica, diff, all over the world, I watch it. It's not easy. How do you add super chat? It's right there on the somewhere in the corner there. Yeah, man, it's somewhere. Tell them how to do it. You know, see one look at something icon say super chat. On see. On see you know see one look part there with the super chat. You know, it's not easy. Una get good entertainment, good music. Last night on the boat ride, 2 entertainment in a row. 2 entertainment in a row. You know, see one something in one corner. Say super chat. Me not, there's something about the place where you can donate. When time you see people are good things, man. And then that the seat there was a very good seat. It never too far from the stage. It wasn't far from the stage. And the something was right in front of my face. It's just that the camera quality that I was using is poor because my iPhone kind of mash up. Me soon get to a new one. But it was, yeah. So una must give something. Yes, let me make a statement. Me know a lot of una come over here for hear the criticism or whatever opinion I have to say about the gala that taking place in New York City. Dana Gala, according to she. Which is it, me know say no fear gala. This was a gala between people and then just use her and her name. What I have to say, happy that she had a good turnout. And of course, we knew that, let me make my statement. We knew that she was going to have a good turnout because she have a big fan base. And majority of her fan base is in America and other part of the world. So we know that if it was kept in Jamaica, she would have never had so many people because she's not popular like that in Jamaica. But because say she popular here in the United States, we expect. So there is no need for you guys to call me on my phone and harass me in a my WhatsApp and sending message. You people are one bumbleclot dumb bitch. For writing me. Me no know how now write me letter. Oh, you in the hospital yet? You have heart attack yet? I send heart attack and hospital back to uno and uno mama blood dirty blood clot. Because first of all, I had a birthday party, a 50th birthday party. Which is it I had my supporters who really checked for Marcia and came out. And I had over 100 people. And I'm very glad that people came out from near and far. And the true supporters them were there. Remember, there is a lot of fake people that is following us. People book ticket from Florida, Atlanta, Minnesota, Virginia, all over the world and Canada and came to my event. You understand? So, and the likes of people never come from all over, all from England. Pretty J Pretty came all the way from England. I had a couple came all the way from Canada. People from different parts of the world and still came to my party. It's not about the crowd. It's about the who you have an impact on. And if I had an impact on 100 people that came there, then fine. Because a lot of people can't do it. So there is no need for you to come tell me about if me have heart attack and I write up my name all over social media when media big ass concert. Buju Banton. Eh? I wouldn't miss Buju Banton for the world, even if me and her was talking and whatever, and I would wait to a Gala. I would have go there, go support and go write a Buju. Me would have any time, even if she and I were in good relationship, I would have still got Buju. I would have go a few hour one, go glimpse, go spend an hour or so, and me a step out in a Buju said way. And that is the truth. Me never I don't miss Buju for the world. For a historical concert like this. After me did a dress in a me nice little cute little outfit, sexy dress. Me hear them a talk about how me coulda have shorts underneath it. One hour walk and watch me pussy front for. Me never know. When me couldn't go walk, then why should I have on something under my frock? Have what? Then how not show no blood clot, dirty pussy clot behind and breasts. I want to look a tired blood clot cranny body. They want me can't show mine. My nice sexy legs them. They want me can't show them. You tell me. So me not understand when I write up my name over social media for and I text me in my message. You know better for do. Who not see my weekend was fulfilled. Look how my weekend stay. Back to back. Bojo and boat ride. I want I want to sit down and chat me. Bojo and boat ride. What more you want than that? You tell me. Let me get down to nitty gritty. Since I still want to mix me up now and talk. I did not get to watch the gala. But based on the gala that I've seen, I don't see it good. But you know, when it comes to dressing, and I'm going to focus on that because of that me see all over social media with the frock with Dana wear. The frock is a nice frock, but it's not fair type of frock. You see, when you're big, you're not supposed to wear so much type of fussiness. And the type of material all the time where them a put her in. And that is my honest opinion. And I've stated this on many occasions. The type of material with that little see-through, something that little stretchy material, it's not for people like me and her when it comes to back fat. Because she have a lot of back fat in there to show. She need clothes with satin dress, satin or silk. It better she have one dress like with a little zigzag or something. So me see her in a better frock than that. That frock makes you look bigger than anything else. And the material on the top never go. They should have something off the shoulder with something going to cover her hand, give it a different illusion. The frock never ready.